During the negative positive half cycle of the input signal of a common base amplifier, the forward bias across emitter base junction decreases. Okay, so we get a voltage across VEB is negative with respect to the ground, and as a result of this, small number of electrons are injected into the base and reaches to the collector. Therefore, base and collector current decreases. Now, decrease in the collector current produces smaller voltage drop across the resistor RC and RC into RC. So, because VCB, which is equals to VCC minus IC into RC. Therefore, the voltage VCB is decreased as from the equation 1. What was the equation 1? VCB is equal to VCC minus IC into RC. If you taken the IC is equal to 0, then this becomes 0. So VCB, which is purely equal to VCC. Okay. Now during the negative half cycle, the forward bias across the emitter base junction increases. Why? See over here, negative, and now during the negative half cycle, this becomes some positive polarity. It becomes reverse. Positive bonds to the emitter terminal of a transistor. That's why here gives us the information during negative half cycle, the forward bias across the emitter base junction increases. As a result of this, more number of the emitter electrons are injected into the base, due to which collector current also increases. The increased collector current produces larger voltage drop across the resistance RC, and hence the voltage VCB is decreases. It is evident, or it is concluded from the discussion, that the positive going input signal produces positive going output signal. Therefore, there is no phase reversal like a common emitter amplifier between the input and output signal. It may be noted that the collector current is less than the emitter current. Therefore, current gain of common amplifier, which is denoted by letter alpha, is less than unity. Unity means 1. It is less than 1. Okay. Now, what mean by current gain? Current gain is simply a ratio of output current given by the common base amplifier to the input current. What quantity of output we getting across the input in sense of the current. It is less than unity. Point to be remembered. This is very much important, that in common base amplifier the current gain is less than unity, but still we get a voltage gain from the amplifier circuit. I simply wrote it over here. Because we get a larger voltage gain because the input resistance of the common base amplifier is very large as compared to the because the output resistance of common base amplifier is very large as compared to the input resistance. Thus, even though there is a change in input and output current are same, yet the voltage drop across the output resistance is very large. Therefore, the change in output voltage are much larger than the change in input signal. Okay. Now, next is the characteristics of common base amplifier. Again, I have to rotate it and make the maximum screen over here. Okay. Characteristics listed over here. Number 1, it has very low input resistance as of order 30 to 150 ohm. It have high output resistance of order 500 kilo ohm. Current gain is less than unity. Voltage gain is of order 1500. Power gain is of order 30 dB. Input and output are in phase with each other. That means there is no phase reversal between the input and output signal. As a purpose of application, a common base amplifier has very important application as it is used in matching circuits with low output resistance to those of the high input resistance. Now we will see or discuss about a common collector amplifier. As seen over here in a circuit, as we say a common collector, it means collector terminal must be give role in input section and output section also. That's why it is common one. So input Vs, source voltage, is applied across base and emitter, and the output is taken across emitter and collector. Figure shows a common collector amplifier by using NPN transistor. Since the collector resistance, we didn't see the collector resistance, RC is not there, so mathematically treated as collector resistance is 0. Therefore, the collector is at AC ground. It is not DC ground, but it is AC grounded. That's why the circuit also called grounded collector amplifier. In this circuit, the input is applied between the base and collector terminal. Emitter and base and collector terminal, and output is taken across emitter and collector terminal. The capacitor C1 and C2, it blocks direct current but passes alternating current. The Q point or quiescent point in the circuit is obtained by a DC batteries, that is VBB and VCC, along with resistance RE emitter resistance, RB base resistance. The DC collector to emitter voltage is given by the equation VCE, voltage across collector and emitter, which is equals to applied source voltage VCC minus IE into RE. Why IE into RE? Because RC is 0 over here and we are taking the output across this emitter to ground terminal. That's why we are taking the drop as IE into RE, which is equals to VCC minus V0. Output is taken, so V0 instead of IE into RE drop. Now, it will be interesting to know when there is no AC signal, that is Vs is equal to 0, then the current flowing through the emitter or load resistor is quiescent current, that is 0 current. Now let apply the AC signal across the input terminal. Then during the positive, this shaded portion, positive half cycle of input AC signal, the forward bias is increased because the voltage VB is positive with respect to collector, that is collector is permanently grounded over here. This causes the base current to increase, due to which emitter current also go on increasing. As a result of this, the voltage drop across RE is increased, hence we get the voltage V0 also increase. Consequently, means if this is a scenario which we are talking about, we get a positive half cycle at the output. It means there is no phase reversal in case of common collector. The input and output signal are in phase with each other. The emitter voltage follow the base voltage. That's why common collector amplifier is also known as emitter follower. The voltage gain of common emitter follower is less than unity. Here the voltage gain is less than unity, but it has a larger current gain and power gain. In case of a common base, the current gain is less than unity, but here the contrast voltage gain is less than unity. Let's see the characteristics of common collector amplifier. A common collector or emitter follower has the following important characteristics. It has high input resistance, which is of order 20 to 500 kilo ohm, low input resistance of order 50 to 1000 ohm. It has high current gain. Its value depends upon the current gain beta factor of the transistor, which is in the range of 50 to 500. Voltage gain is less than unity. Power gain is much smaller than that of common emitter and common base amplifier. Its output signal are in phase with the input signal. And applications, the main application of common collector amplifier is for resistance matching. It is used to transfer energy from high output resistance circuit to that of low input resistance circuit. The common collector amplifier can also be used as a two-way amplifier because it can pass a signal in either direction. Most importantly, the comparison between a three configuration: common base, common emitter and common collector. Here the table shows. I just read it out. First parameter on the characteristic is input resistances. In common emitter, it is moderate, common base, lowest. In common collector, it is highest. Talking about the output resistance, it is moderate in common emitter, highest in common base category and lowest in common collector. Current gain is high in common emitter, common base, lowest in common collector, highest. Voltage gain, here common emitter highest, common base high, and in common collector it is equals to nearly equals to 1. Power gain, common emitter category highest, base moderate, collector lowest, and phase reversal is only happen in common emitter. There is no phase reversal in common base and common collector. That's it about the common base, common collector, common emitter single stage amplifier category.